down doodle, let's draw today. Sketch it out the fun that way.
Hey everyone, today we're going to be drawing an imposter from Among Us. So grab your paper, your pencils, and some markers and let's get started. Alright, it looks like he has a rounded rectangular shape for the top of his head. And some ovals for his feet. Let's do a smaller rectangle for his jaw. I'm going to do another rectangle for the fins on his back. I'm going to do a couple of S-curves for his tongue. We'll do triangles for his teeth. And finally, we'll do an oval for his eyeball. In the next step, I'll transfer these shapes onto a piece of paper with some light pencil marks. Alright, if you look into the corner of the screen, you can see our shape outline. I'm just going to transfer this onto a piece of paper lightly. This is a very rough sketch. It doesn't need to look perfect. Feel free to pause and rewind the video if you need more time. Breaking these characters down into basic shapes is the easiest way for me to draw them. If you have any tips, let me know in the comments below. He's looking pretty rough. In the next step, we're going to refine the shapes a little bit more. Okay, let's dial this imposter in a little bit better. I'm darkening some of these pencil lines to shore up the line work a little bit better. What has been the hardest part for you so far? Let me know in the comments below. Keep watching and I'll show you how 5 simple colors can make them pop off the page. Wow, he's starting to look good. In the next step, we're going to outline him with some black marker. Alright, I'm going to speed this up for you. But in real time, I'm trying to go as slow and steady as possible to follow my construction lines. Outlining and coloring is my favorite part. What's yours? Post it in the comments below. Look at him pop off the page. In the next step, we're going to color him. Don't forget to erase your pencil lines before you start to color. Do you remember when I said I'd show you how to make them pop off the page? Well, here it is. I'm coloring in the lighter primary colors first, and then I'm using a darker shade to introduce some shadows to the drawing. Watch him come to life with these shadows. All right, here he is. I think he looks great. How do you think I did? Post in the comments below. And as always, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps. Thank you and have a great day.
Doodles, let's draw today. Sketch it out the fun that way.